Not many had given her a chance. I remember when she went to Rio along with her coach Bishambar Nundi, no one was talking about her. She was trying the Produnova, one of the most difficult vaults in gymnastics history. Deepa Karmakar was on the verge of something incredible and things could go seriously wrong as well. People could have died, broken hands and broken legs by trying that vault. It is that dangerous. But Deepa was doing it. On Independence Day, one remembers it was Deepa's event. She had come as close as it was possible. A fantastic Produnova vault. Excellent work from Deepa Karmakar in an individual final at the Olympic level. No Indian had dared to get there. Deepa did. The Produnova worked to perfection. She finished just a tad away from a medal. Once again, that fourth position. I remember interviewing Deepa Karmakar that night just outside the Games Village. She was shattered. She was in tears. She kept telling me, "Sir, medal hota hai, fourth." And I remember her, tears couldn't stop. She knew what she had missed. She was right there, as we say, near yet so far. Deepa Karmakar has turned a new leaf. She broke many ceilings that an Indian gymnast could get to an Olympic Games and make an Olympic final, challenge the very best in the world, try the Produnova, come fourth, was beyond belief. In Rio, she may have missed a medal, but anyone who continues to do gymnastics in India has felt inspired by Deepa Karmakar. Her feat of coming fourth, her feat of being able to do the Produnova to perfection will forever be remembered in the annals of Indian sport. Independence Day wasn't the sweetest, but that's what sport is all about. It can be cruel. It is real, not real. And Deepa will tell you that more than anyone else. She has tried to make a comeback. Sadly, she has missed out on Paris. But any time when you are talking about the history of India's Olympic encounter, you have to remember Deepa Karmakar. And for me, I remember celebrating her birthday in Rio, cutting a cake with Deepa, Bishambar Nundi and Zishan Ali. And the cake was to wish her well. We almost got there. So near, yet so far.
Deepa, first of all, we are going to Paris Olympics in a few days. What are your expectations, or what are your hopes rather, from the Indian contingent?
My hopes only one is we are going to double digit medal. And wish you all the best. Every member of Indian contingent, every game, they do the best to best performance show there.
Taking you back to your own, journey. First of all, do you look back at that moment and is there a bit of regret apart from the medal? We understand that part, but is there any other bit of regret that this could have happened?
No, without medal, I'm not regret because this is I do my best to best performance shows because the first time I'm crossed the 15 overall score is 15.066. This is my best vault this day, this time, and otherwise more better I'm not do because I'm perfect, and perfection is every vault is like 15 cross is our target, my and my coach, and where target is fulfilled. This is the main, and after 8th place qualify, and after that I came to 4th place. This is the huge difference because you all know this that time Simone Biles and Korea and some other Russia, Maria Pasiga, they all are Olympic medalists last 2012 world champion. This is a very huge opportunity to me, this compared to this world vaults famous and Simone Biles, Maria Pasiga and other guys are this is a really too much enjoyment, and I really enjoy this Olympics because after first time I'm qualified for qualify for Rio Olympics after 52 years later. This is a really I'm very very much happy.
And कैसे फील होता है जब ऑनेस्टली जिम्नास्टिक्स हम कभी इंडिया में देखते हैं नहीं ज़्यादा क्योंकि हमारे से कोई रिप्रेजेंट करता नहीं है, राइट? बट सब जगह हुए थे, जैसे अदिति अशोक है जिनके गोल्फ के लिए सब जगह हुए थे, राइट? वैसे आपके लिए हम सब जगह हुए थे, तो वो पायनियर होना, दो चीज़ें मैं पूछूंगी. एक तो क्योंकि आपने सिमोन बाइल्स का नाम लिया तो वो मेंटल प्रेशर प्रेशर कितना होता है वो, और दूसरा है कि एक तरह से आप इंस्पिरेशन भी हो, तो वो कितना मोटिवेटिंग है या क्या फील करते हैं?
देखिए एज ए एथलीट मेंटल प्रेशर बहुत हर एक गेम में होते, कोई नहीं कि सिर्फ जिम्नास्टिक्स में उनका जो सोच है वही करके जाना है वो, और शूटिंग आर्चरी अदर गेम या एथलेटिक्स, हर एक प्रेशर में मेंटल प्रेशर होते, क्योंकि हर एक लोग ह्यूमन बीइंग है, इंसान है, उनके अंदर अगर जान है तो वो मेंटल प्रेशर होगा ही। बट उस प्रेशर को कौन हैंडल करके उस दिन निकल जाते वो बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि हर एक लोग 100 नहीं 200 टाइम बेटर टू बेटर ट्रेनिंग करते बिकॉज ऑफ द ओलंपिक्स के लिए। वो फाइनल डे जब पहुंचते उसके लिए 4 साल 8 साल 15 साल 20 साल वो ट्रेनिंग करते सिर्फ उस दिन के लिए, उस टाइम के लिए। और जैसे जिम्नास्टिक्स आर्चरी शूटिंग सिर्फ एक ही शॉट आते, एक ही चांस, उसमें कुछ डबल करने का दोबारा करने का मौका ही नहीं मिलते, तो उसमें मुझे लगता है उस दिन जो मेंटल प्रेशर और साथ में थोड़ा सा ऊपर वाले का साथ जिसके साथ हो वो आगे निकल जाते और निकल जाए जाके मेडल, क्योंकि आप सब ने देखा अभी पैनल डिस्कशन में भी शुरू आता है कि सिमन बाइल्स लास्ट ईयर मेंटल हेल्थ की वजह से उसने विड्रॉ कर लिया था, उसने नहीं खेला था जब उसका 3-4 गोल्ड मेडल था, क्योंकि दिस इज लाइफ, दिस इज ह्यूमन बीइंग जो मैंने बोला। बट इसने इस ट्रायल्स में अभी तक ओवरकम किया, अभी लास्ट वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनी वो, फिर से अभी वो ओलंपिक्स में आ रही है, होपफुली इसने इस बार कुछ नया हिस्ट्री और उसने कुछ नया एलिमेंट इस बार इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे उनके नाम पे है, तो हम सच में बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है। और मैं चाहती हूँ हर एक लोग आप आइए जो अच्छा करे ओलंपिक्स में परफॉर्म, या जो अच्छा कभी होता नहीं तब भी उसको अप्रिशिएट करिए, क्योंकि कोई नहीं चाहते अपना कंट्री का फ्लैग लगा के ख़राब परफॉर्मेंस करे, सब चाहते 100 to 200% अच्छा करने के लिए।